Hi, today we're going to be making mango pineapple smoothies. First things first, we wash our hands. For today's kitchen tools, we'll need a can opener, 2 measuring cups, a spoon, some measuring spoons, and most importantly, a blender. And for our ingredients, we'll need 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 2 cups of frozen mango chunks, half a banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 3/4 cups of pineapple juice. I like to measure out my ingredients and add it to the blender as I go. So there's my 2 cups of mangoes. Oops, I made a little mess, but that's okay. We'll clean it up later. I spoon in the yogurt to the measuring cup just to make sure I have exactly what I need, not over, not under. Let's add it. And our next step is measuring out our pineapple juice. You have to be very careful when using a can opener so that you don't hurt yourself. Go ask someone if you think you may need help. After adding the pineapple juice to the blender, I decided to use a spoon since it was soft enough to cut half a banana in. Then I added my 1 tablespoon of honey. After you add your final ingredient, you can secure the lid and press the fruit smoothie button. If your blender does not have this, you can just press blend. And a side note, if your blender isn't blending correctly, just turn it off, take off the lid, spin it with a spoon, and try again. Then you'll get a nice consistency like this. Is it delicious? It's absolutely delicious.